start drawing the swirling slingstone with this image on the right here. Okay, we have an arc here on the right side, and we have another arc here on the left side. Okay, for number 4 here on the left side of the screen, I use the screen.colormode 255 command so that I can use the RGB 255 format for the color. The pen size, you can choose that 3, 4, or 5. It depends on you. Now, number 6, this is the number for the green hue. For the RGB, this is 255. That means this is green. And then the R here is not for the red. Actually, the R here is for the distance from the center of the drawing. On the illustration on the right here, as you can see, this is the R here. I'm checking on that. The R is the center from the center to drawing. The center of the drawing is right here. Incidentally, this is not 0. This is negative 60, 0. I figured that out after drawing the whole figure, and then I adjusted the whole image to the left side. And then the D, this is the size of the slingstone. As you will see, the size of the slingstone increases as we go from one slingstone to another one. Now, before I draw the series of slingstones, I first turn my turtle 40 degrees to the left. That's number 9. So look at the 40 degrees here on the right side of the screen. Initially, the direction of turtle is like this to the right side, but I decided to turn the direction 40 degrees to the left for just a little tilt. Okay, and then start with number 10. We have a loop here. We're gonna draw 19 slingstones. First, number 11, I raise the pen. I raise the pen up so that I don't generate any line. And then I go to the center of the image. It is negative 60, 0, as I have mentioned a while ago here on the right side of the screen. And then I move forward from the center of the image here. So from negative 60, 0 here, I will move forward. Note that I have already changed the direction of the turtle. This is now the direction of the turtle. I will move forward the turtle R units. At this point, the number of units for R is 50. That's number 7. So again, I draw the R here. I'm drawing it on the right side of the screen until I reach this point there. I hope you can see I am making that point black. So after drawing that line, incidentally, that line is invisible because so far my pen is up. Number 14, I turn the direction of the turtle left 20 degrees. Remember that the direction of the turtle is like this. I am retracing that on the right side, but I don't want to draw the slingstone with that orientation. I want it to be directed 20 degrees here. So this is 20 degrees to the left for just a little tilt. And then after changing the direction of the turtle 20 degrees to the left, I draw a line again forward, this time D units. The number of units at D is in line number 8. It is 50. So I draw this line here. I'm tracing that with black ink on the right side of the screen until I reach this point here, this one here. And then at this point here, I start drawing. Start drawing. I specify first the direction of the turtle because I have to draw this arc here, the arc on the left side. So since the direction of the turtle is like this, I'm tracing that. And I don't want that to be the direction of the turtle to generate the arc. I want the direction of the turtle to be like this. Okay. So I have to turn the turtle to the left like this. And this angle here is actually 180 degrees minus 67.38. You might be wondering where the 67.38 is coming from. It's a long explanation, but if you want to see where it is coming from, please write that in the comment, and then I'm very willing to share that with you. The mathematics of Python graphics. So I already turned the turtle like this one here, and then I have specified the radius of generation of the arc. I will generate arc 1 here. The radius is 13 times the d, which is 50 at this point, and then divided by 12. And then I put the pen down to start drawing. Note that I am drawing at this point here. I'm checking on the brace start drawing. It is pointing to a point. And then I specify the fill color. Every slingstone that I am drawing, it has a color. Initially, this is 0 to 5. Remember that our G in line number 6 is 255 and 0, and this is green, the standard green. And then I continue with the fill color procedure. Actually, the fill color procedure is from 19 up to 24. And then I continue with the fill color procedure. I will draw the arc. This t.circle is actually an arc. This is arc on the left side. Okay. And then as I reach this point here, let me make that portion magnified. It's gonna be like this. This is the end of arc 1. Okay. But we are drawing the second arc like this. We're drawing the second arc like this. So what is this angular difference here? The angular difference is 180 minus 2 of 67.38. I am underlining that on the left side of the screen. It is line number 22. Actually, you can put here the result, but just for the sake of illustrating, I put here 180, and then I subtract 67. I subtract 2 of 67.38. Incidentally, the 67.38 is this one here. Please look at the right side of the screen. This is a 67.38. Again, please comment on that so that I can give you the computation for 67.38. So this one is on the right side. This is 180 minus 2 of 67.38. Now that our turtle is like this one here, I'm writing okay, drawing the illustration there. This is the direction of the turtle. I am ready to draw the second arc here, the arc on the right side. Note that numbers 21 and 23, they are exactly identical. They are identical, and it has to be that way. And then we end the fill procedure. By the time we have drawn this slingstone here on the right side, the slingstone will be colored automatically green. That is the fill color procedure. Now we continue. At the last, the starting point and the ending point of the drawing, they are the same. At the last, after drawing the first slingstone, the direction of the turtle is like this. Okay. But I need to prepare for the second slingstone. So I turn the turtle to the right like this. I'm drawing on the right side of the screen. And this has to be 67.38 degrees turn to the right. And that is number 25. I hope that you noticed that the 67.38 figures three times in this code here. And then number 26, I changed the the distance from the center of generation negative 60. I make it longer. So as we draw the 19 slingstones, the generation of the slingstone is becoming farther and farther from the center negative 60. And at the same time, I also changed the D. So as we draw the 19 slingstones, the size of the slingstone is getting bigger and bigger. And then I am changing the G value. It's initially a 255. If I change the value, if I subtract 10 as we go from the first slingstone to the last slingstone, then the last slingstone will be still green. The slash is slingstone will still be green. Will be, however, it will be dark green. Dark green. Okay, I'm writing so fast there. And then we go up again to number 10 here. Remember that we're doing the loop 19 times here. And this is how we generate the image of the swirling slingstone.